fall for. To fall in love with someone. I think he has fallen for his best friend. She fell for his charming personality. Go out. To date someone. They have been going out for 2 years. She went out with him last weekend. Ask out. To invite someone on a date. He finally asked her out for dinner. She was happy when he asked her out. Make out. To kiss or behave romantically. They were making out in the park. The couple made out in the movie theater. Break up. To end a relationship. They broke up after 5 years together. She broke up with him because of trust issues. Cheat on. To be unfaithful in a relationship. He cheated on her, so she left him. She found out he was cheating on her. Get over. To move on from a breakup. It took her months to get over him. He finally got over his past relationship. Hit on. To flirt with someone. He was hitting on her at the party. She didn't like the way he hit on her. Turn down. To reject someone. She turned down his proposal. He asked her out, but she turned him down. Drift apart. To slowly grow apart. Over the years, they drifted apart. They used to be best friends, but they drifted apart. Patch up. To fix a relationship. They had a fight, but they patched things up. He tried to patch up with her after their argument. Put up with. To tolerate something. She put up with his bad habits for years. I can't put up with this anymore. Flame out. To fail suddenly. Their relationship flamed out quickly. The romance flamed out after a few months. Hook up. To have a casual relationship. They hooked up at a party last night. She hooked up with him, but it didn't last. Run after. To chase someone. He keeps running after his ex-girlfriend. Stop running after people who don't care about you. Make up. To reconcile after a fight. They fought but made up the next day. He apologized and they made up. Stick by. To support someone in difficult times. She always sticks by her boyfriend. True friends stick by you no matter what. Fool around. To behave playfully or flirt without commitment. He was just fooling around and not serious about her. They fooled around but never dated seriously. Split up. To separate or end a relationship. They split up after 10 years of marriage. She decided to split up with him. Two-time. To cheat on someone. He was two-timing her with another girl. She found out that he was two-timing her.
Thanks for watching and subscribe us for more only English vocabulary.